Morning, Pigeon family. Ham's Loft. It's Sunday morning, about almost 10. It's nice, probably about 75 or plus degrees. I'm trying to stay over here in the shade while I do a little filming. Uh, that middle loft over there, my band. The middle loft, I think I let out 45. I think that was the total. And I counted them last night. It was 45 or whatever. But then this morning I had one sitting on the loft. But I did leave. I did leave the trap open. So he was just right here. And he just went on in when I came over here. He had the yellow man on his ankle, so that let me know right off the back that that was the youngest ones that I put in there. So I ain't seen nobody else out here, so we're gonna get these birds up in the sky. See what's going on. Already did a scan, didn't find nothing. See all the main breeders are outside, so most of them either on sitting on plastic eggs or I'm in the process of pulling out stuff to get it cleaned out. My 20, when I did the count last time, I had 26, of course. When I closed them up, it was 26 when I counted them last night. So 26 in, 26 out. The one that went roaming, he finally came back. And let's just get them out for a fly and let's see what they do. Okay. Got a little stand over here. Let's give a special shout out to all the subscribers if I haven't done that. And Gavos from Ireland. Pigeons and traffic lights. All right, let's get this thing going on now. All right, let's get them up in the air. Try to get over here in the shade. Got two on the roof. They still not kitten yet, but you see it's a few of them up there. I'll keep pushing them up. Now they're at the point now where I will push them up in the morning every day from now on. But right now, the only thing that we got going on is we're gonna just keep pushing them out. The B team, once I call the A team in, the B team, I'm just gonna open the door and let them back out. I don't push them up, let them do whatever they wanna do. But see what they're doing. I did put the trap down, so shouldn't be a problem. At this time last year, I think they was getting a whole lot better than they are now. So we'll just keep pushing them up. They get there. All right, special shout out to White House Loft, Hidden Hollow Loft, Dunnerville, Muhammad, Rob CP Loft, Pine Oak Loft, well, Pin Oak Loft, and Red Star Loft. Julio DIY. Yeah, so I'm not worrying too much about the birds being on top of my main roof. They will learn to come out and go straight for a fly, and then when they come in, they'll go straight to the loft roof. But I think, they're gonna come along. I cut their feet all the way down. I do still need to get some weight on them. I don't think they at the weight they should be, but they're definitely eating. Those are a couple of the ones I cut the bands off. They was swelled up on their foot. You see any of those? None of those are really panting. It's hot out here, but they ain't been flying more than a couple of minutes, so we know that. Got a few up there. We'll hit the pause for a minute. I got my little stand right here. Got another one I'm ordering off of eBay. Well, not eBay, Amazon. I try to keep an eye on the panting because I already know it's hot out here. But when they come out flying, there's nothing out here scaring them. You can see some of them are panting, some of them are not. They got the bath water out there. But the panting, that's the part that I got to get that down. So they either got to fly more, because I definitely think they out of shape. Yeah, these are young birds. Look at them on the roof. That shit ain't right. They're repaired the hell up. Damn shame. And got some of them out here on the ground. I don't think this video is good. Got a threesome going on up on top of the roof. What the hell is that about? I ain't never seen that before, but I got 26 out. It's about 20. The ones on the ground, plus the ones in the water. I think one might have trapped already. I got a white one flying around. A couple more on top of the roof. He's on the other edge. Come the white one coming in. A little grizzle. She's been up in there the whole time. At least there's one bird that loves to fly. Let's give a shout out to our Florida family, definitely. B. Rod and his brother Tipler Man 266. Always appreciative on them when they watch the video. On the Go Loft, my New Jersey brother. And always from California, Skywatcher, John J. Appreciate all y'all for watching my videos. I really thank you. Your comments are great, and your knowledge is undeniable. I appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna not let this video go too long. Same old shit, same old stuff. Some of the birds out in the grass, which I hate for them to do, but right now I'm in the shade, so I'm not gonna complain. And everybody, all right, thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe. Special shout out to Muhammad. I think I forgot him. All right, special shout outs to everybody. Thank you a lot. Comment, subscribe, do what you do.